In order to take a collection, you must first properly sanitize your hands, put on gloves, a mask, face shield, and lab coat. To begin, make sure the patient has completely filled out all necessary forms. Make sure you have all of your materials and ensure your specimens are at room temperature. Build your elution tube rack and label slots 1 through 10 for the preferred method. Place your elution tubes into the rack. Add 10 drops of elution buffer to each elution tube. You are now ready to begin extraction. First, carefully open your swab. Place the swab at the edge of the patient's earlobe, then measure to the opening of the nostril. Gently hold the person's head with one hand and swab in another. Insert the swab via the nostril. Slowly go deep along the bottom of the lower nasal canal. Because the nasal canal is curved, do not force too hard to avoid traumatic bleeding. When the tip of the swab reaches the posterior wall of the cavity, rotate gently once. Let sit in the cavity for about 10 seconds. Slowly and carefully remove the swab. Place the collection swab into the tube and vigorously rotate 10 times. Make sure to squeeze the elution tube as you are removing the collection swab, and then discard the swab into a biohazard waste. Add the tip to the elution tube to create a dropper. Then open your cassette package, pulling out the cassette and discarding the packaging. Place 3 drops of the final sample from the elution tube dropper into the cassette. Test results should be read between 15 and 20 minutes, but not after 20 minutes. Always refer to the instructions if you are confused. Make sure to properly dispose of all PPE when complete.